Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to cook the wild garlic mustard celtuce taco in Heartopia. In this latest update, Heartopia has new event that called Team Like Cinematic Event, and at this event you can cook any limited food. One of them is wild garlic mustard celtuce taco like this. And then to cook this food, just go to your popcorn serving cards like this and then tap on it, and then next just choose the white vegetable celtuce taco recipe, this one, and then next on the wild vegetables ingredients, this one just replace it with the tall mustard like this, and then you also need the romaine lettuce taco. But in here, cause I run out of it, I will replace it with the universal ingredients like this. And then once all the ingredients are complete, just tap on start cooking. Like this. Like this. You will unlock the wild garlic mustard celtuce taco recipe like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.